Good evening, viewers. The global conflict between the United States and China will become more elaborate and more intense post-COVID. And because as of now, none of us can predict where COVID will go or when it will end, we cannot predict either accurately when this conflict will officially start or peak. But let me make a clear prediction today. This time, India will get involved because China will try and muscle us on the economic and business side. And the Modi government has made it clear that by modifying its foreign investment rules to push China back, we are making it clear that the Chinese cannot walk all over us or over the Indian market anymore. In the future, global companies will begin to move more aggressively out of China. Trade with China will go down. And a very desperate and increasingly desperate China will try and use military means to gain relevance. The Chinese have already increased their defense budget in a very big way for the coming year. And they are needling India systematically and more aggressively in Sikkim, in Ladakh, and of late via the Nepalese government. I expect this battle to get more obvious. And so we have to be extremely well thought of in each step of our response. Viewers, the White House and America supporting India today is something to be noted, but eventually remember, we have to fight for ourselves. Unity and determination will be put on test as we push back the Chinese, because I expect this to be one of the biggest news stories for the rest of the year. I'm beginning with this tonight. That is one of my top debates this evening, viewers, in a few minutes. India, America are uniting to take on China. How do we expect this to play out? At 10 o'clock this evening, the politics over migrants breaks the opposition. The opposition is broken up. Significant parties did not join a web conference that Sonia Gandhi tried to carry out today. That's debate number 2. Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.